Now, during Governor Jim Justice's press briefing today, we heard it time and time again that sometimes school is the safest place for a child to be.
So what happens if school does remain virtual, and how can we ensure that each student is getting the help they need at home? 13 News reporter Lily Bradley takes a closer look.
This situation is absolutely fluid.
Governor Jim Justice said it himself. The plans for back to school remain flexible at this point. So what happens if kids and teachers aren't in the classroom? Specifically, what happens to the more vulnerable students?
Schools provide a valuable resource in terms of those eyes on by teachers.
Secretary Bill Crouch says the number of abuse and neglect reports filed by West Virginia teachers dropped significantly during the first months of the pandemic. He says the number of reports have since risen again, but it still remains a major concern.
It's been a lot of sleepless nights, and it has been a lot of myself, a lot of prayers, a lot of concern for the children that we don't have eyes on, the children that we hope are being fed and are taking advantage of the resources.
State health officials stress the importance of local agencies and organizations that are continuing to advocate for some of West Virginia's most vulnerable students.
For a lot of kids, school is their only safe place.
Andrea Dar is the director of the West Virginia Center for Children's Justice with the West Virginia State Police. She's been a crucial part of the Handle with Care program, which requires law enforcement to alert school districts when they encounter a child at a crime scene.
That notice, without any details, all it says is handle with care, little Johnny, handle with care, goes to essential school staff who are checking on those kids.
Dar says the initiative, which was launched on Charleston's west side back in 2013, is more important now than ever before. So they're working on resources available for people who might not recognize symptoms of abuse or neglect.
So if teachers aren't seeing the kids, who are seeing the kids? It's the convenience store worker, it's the pizza delivery guy, it's the gas station attendant, the grocery store employee. So we have created a really nice infographic for people that generally wouldn't know what to do if they were concerned about a child.
Now, Dar says a part of that initiative includes their yearly conference. This year, they're doing it virtually because of COVID-19, hosting sessions once a week online. Now, also today during the press briefing, Dr. Crouch says he would look into the numbers of abuse and neglect cases and have more to report sometime next week. So we, of course, will keep you updated. In the studio, Lily Bradley, 13 News, working for you.